This video will teach you why you continue to regain weight after a diet and show you how to prevent it from happening again. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get your hands on my specific blueprint that details the how, when, and why to make necessary calorie increases after a diet to maintain your weight loss for good. To get even more weight maintenance tips and strategies, the same ones I've used to help hundreds of men and women just like you stop yo-yo dieting, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're notified to tune in for a brand new video every single Tuesday. You may be able to list a dozen or so reasons as to why you keep regaining weight after a diet. But ultimately, these reasons you list can be condensed into these 3 reasons. Number 1, you don't have a plan for what comes next after your diet. Number 2, your approach to weight loss is not sustainable. And number 3, you failed to identify your why. To prevent weight regain, you must have a plan for what comes after a diet. You need to take a sustainable approach to losing weight in the first place, and you absolutely, hands down, must know your why. Let's discuss each in greater detail. Diets are intentionally crafted as short periods of time. Whether it's a 30-day challenge or a 12-week transformation, they're set up to be short so that you can see the finish line from the very beginning. The issue, however, is that you've never given thought to what comes after you cross the finish line. Will you continue to intentionally starve yourself on day 91? What about day 105? Are you going to continue to skip social occasions and restrict yourself from your favorite foods? I hope not, which is why you need to have a specific plan as to how you'll transition out of your dieting phase. Well, fortunately, I have that plan for you. What needs to come next is transitioning to what I call a post-diet weight maintenance phase. I speak about this phase in detail in one of my most recent videos titled The 3 Types of Weight Maintenance Phases. But in short, it's a well thought out plan that details the how and when you'll begin increasing calories and how you'll also resume a sense of normalcy with your social life, lifestyle, and eating habits that is sustainable. You need to have a plan for day 91 and beyond. And the sooner you have this plan, the more likely it is you are prepared to prevent weight regain for good. Do you have a plan for what to do next after your diet? Below this video, comment yes or no, but I'm working on it, so I know if I need to follow up with you to share additional resources to help you develop that plan. As I mentioned earlier, most diets are crafted as short periods of time, which leave you feeling as if you can adhere to the craziest of dietary guidelines because you can already see the finish line in sight. But can you really ditch carbohydrates, ignore ice cream, or pass up on peanut butter the rest of your life, and all in the name of sustainable weight maintenance? Yeah, I didn't think so. How you approach weight loss determines how you'll be able to maintain what weight loss you do achieve. If giving up carbs or restricting yourself from your most favorite foods isn't what you foresee to be sustainable, well, then it shouldn't be a part of your initial approach to weight loss in the first place. Instead, you need to work on developing a foundation of healthy eating habits that focuses on nutrient-dense foods, but also enjoying the foods you love in moderation. This is a recipe for sustainability and success. And Fortunately for you, I wrote a short book entitled A Dietitian's Dozen Fat Loss Tips that teaches you how to build this foundation for sustainable weight loss and weight maintenance. And you can click the link in the top corner of your screen or immediately below this video to start reading today. Why do you want to lose weight? And why do you want to maintain that weight loss? Is it to feel better? To look great naked? To improve your confidence, your exercise performance, or simply to have more energy? Regardless of the reason, you need to know it, and it needs to be top of mind all the time. Definitively knowing why it is you want to prevent weight regain after a diet will serve you valiantly when you encounter the multitude of challenges once you transition to a post-diet weight maintenance phase. Knowing your why, keeping it top of mind and close to your heart will help you remain focused on what it is you need to do to continuously overcome the many challenges you'll face. And for a 3-step exercise to walk you through how to discover and really clarify your why, make sure you click the video link in the top corner of your screen or below this video to complete the exercise and the accompanying worksheet. Now that you know why it is you've regained weight after a diet so many times, you need to know how to prevent it. That's why I created a 12-week blueprint that details everything you need to know and do to successfully maintain weight loss the first 12 weeks after a diet. In this 12-week blueprint, I share with you the how, when, and why to making specific calorie changes to keep the weight off for good the first 12 weeks after a diet. And you can get your hands on this blueprint by clicking the link in the top corner of your screen or the link immediately below this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and to share it with a friend. This will absolutely help me know to continue making videos just like this. Do you feel ready to prevent weight regain after a diet and to finally make your next diet your last diet? If so, comment "My next diet will be my last" in the comments section immediately below this video. And remember to get your hands on my permanent weight maintenance blueprint, how to maintain weight loss after a diet for the first 12 weeks by clicking the link in the top of your screen or immediately below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.